Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to look at a very common question: how to change the language on your Facebook Messenger app on an Android phone. Maybe you're learning a new language, or your phone's default setting isn't what you prefer. Whatever the reason, I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's quite simple, and there are actually two main ways to get this done, depending on your Android version, so let's dive right in. The first and most common method involves changing your entire phone's system language. Messenger, like many other apps, automatically uses the language your phone is set to. So, if you change your phone's language to Spanish, Messenger will also switch to Spanish. To do this, you first need to go to your phone's settings. You can usually find the Settings app by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the little gear icon, or by finding it in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, you need to scroll down and look for an option called System or sometimes General Management on some phones. Tap on that. Inside this menu, you should see an option for Language and Input or simply Language. Tap on it. Here, you will see the current language of your phone. To add a new one, look for an option like Add a Language. You can then scroll through the list and pick the language you want to use. After you select it, your phone will ask if you want to set it as the new default system language. Go ahead and confirm this. Your phone will then take a moment to apply the changes. Once it's done, you can open your Messenger app. You should see that everything, the menus, the settings, the buttons, is now in the new language you selected. Just remember, this method changes the language for your entire device, not just for Messenger. However, there is a newer and often better way to do this if you have a more recent Android version, like Android 13 or newer. This method lets you change the language just for the Messenger app itself, without affecting the rest of your phone. This is perfect if you want to use Messenger in English but keep your phone in French, for example. Here's how to check if you have this feature. Go back to your phone's Settings app. This time, find the Apps menu. Tap on it, and then find and select Messenger from the list of all your installed applications. Once you're on the Messenger app info page, look carefully for a language option. If you see it, you're in luck. Tap on Language. By default, it will probably be set to System Default. You can now simply choose any other language from the list provided. Once you select a new language, the change is instant. The next time you open Messenger, it will be in the language you just chose, while the rest of your phone remains completely unchanged. This is definitely the more convenient option if your phone supports it. So, those are the two primary ways to change the language on Messenger for Android. You can either change your whole system's language or, on newer phones, change it just for the app itself. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks like this one. We'll see you in the next video.